A new range of side-loading lifting trucks was developed by the VKP company Chrudim and launched in 2000. VKP side loaders are made in 4-ton, 5-ton and 6.5-ton capacities, with masts reaching from 4 to 6.6 meters and decks 1200, 1400 or 1600 millimeters wide. The VKP range of side loaders will deliver optimum performance and efficiency benefits for the operator in working environments or applications that involve the handling and movement of long loads such as timber, roll sections, metal sheets and other awkward loads in which forklifts prove inadequate. The rigid welded frame is connected to the axles by means of double-acting hydraulic cylinders. This ensures not only hydraulic alignment of the wheels on both axles, but also allows tilting of the frame and the mast, which makes the picking of loads easier. VKP side loaders comply with all EU operating and safety regulations and may also be driven along public roads. The machine design has been registered at the Czech Industrial Property Institute. The hydrostatic drive system is located in the rear part of the chassis beneath the deck. The engine compartment is closed in for maximum noise suppression. The driver has an easy access for all routine checks and maintenance jobs. The chief drive system components are a 60 kW Perkins engine with low emissions below EU limits, a Mannesmann Rexroth axial hydrostatic drive with a tandem-seated hydraulic unit for mast operation directly coupled with the engine, a 2-chamber water and oil radiator located next to the engine, the driving axle made by Dana, Italy, is coupled with Mannesmann Rexroth hydrostatic drive. The hydraulic oil-operated foot brake and the handbrake activate the wet multiple disc unit inside the axle. There are no brakes on the standard machine steering axle. Disc brakes may be fitted to meet specific customer requirements. The wheels are positioned into turning radius by means of a linear hydraulic unit with a passing piston rod acting over rods directly onto the arms of axle stubs. The standard mast supplied is a 2-part telescopic type. It consists of an outside and inside frame. The ISO 4B carriage supports the fork arms, which may be adjusted to suit the required spacing. All moving parts are seated on special rollers. The clearance of the rollers may be adjusted without dismantling the lifting mechanism. The mast is shifted outwards by cross-linear hydraulic cylinders to ensure smooth movement at all times. A valve dampens movement of the mast in limit positions. Other mast configurations, such as triplex or free-fall lift for higher lifts, are available upon request. A choice of accessories may be mounted onto the lifting mechanism and adjustments made to suit individual customer requirements. A carrier for long loads, a crane boom, a carrying boom, a hydraulically adjustable forks, and many more. The ergonomic design of the spacious cab with large shutterproof windows gives the driver maximum comfort and optimum working conditions due to the clear layout of controls, comfortable seat, and perfect view on all sides, particularly to the load being handled. The height of the steering wheel and the angle of the steering column, as well as the seat and controls, can all be easily adjusted to suit the needs of the driver. The sliding door may be secured in a number of positions. Wipers are located on the windscreen and the rear window. For optimum drive performance in cold conditions, the cab is fitted with an effective heating system that also allows rapid defrosting and demisting of the windscreen. The sunroof may be opened. There is a sliding window on the deck side. The side-loaded hydraulic system consists of the drive, the steering and braking, and the handling circuits. The latest generation Mannesmann Rexroth hydrostatic transmission is used to transmit the engine power to the driving axle. The steering and braking circuit is fed from a hydraulic unit placed on the Perkins engine. A valve distributes compressed oil into the steering unit and the braking valve. The handling hydraulic system provides for track tilting, load lifting, and the operation of the lifting mechanism. A mechanical distributor brings compressed oil into the hydraulic motors. Identical sort of oil is used throughout the machine. The side loader uses 12-volt electric installation fed from a 110 Ah battery charged from the Perkins engine alternator.